Actually, 2004 I am driving in Gulshan rickshaw. So slowly I want to wait. I want to talk for European people and white color people. How great I talk to him and how great I learning speak English. So many thanks on. After I stay for Allah myself, Allah can give me chance know something speak English, talking to people, other country and help to other country people, some option. If I know for him to speak, after Allah slowly give me chance, give me before one US friend, his name's Jessinas, and after Gaditik, after Juhan, after Will, after Mahari, lot of friends I have like European, UK, US. So after we have some injury, my country have slowly my whole friends back to say to him because not stay there longer. Every friend tell me that and say goodbye from you. We are going to my country, so not your country stay anymore. We are so take care to you and your family. But my friend, everyone back to his country. After slowly I have come slowly Karachi every month something. That time I have 2 children. Now I have 4 children. So that time also some few money using about family enough for me. But now is big money necessary. Very difficult to management family. So where I go, tell for people, can you follow me and make something paying, and I wish I want to need help if any people love to me and help to me. So I want to need, but where I go and tell him and easy to believe my speak for people and help to me. Because I know for Bangla people, hard culture, they ask you I research, maybe nothing to come in any good anything about me. Because in Basundara, I am long time drive and many students talk to me and many students listen to my life history, but nothing to do any people and nothing to call me any people second time. So I can't believe to do something good my country people for me. Have a good evening. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I'm so tired.
Nice to talk to you. Nice to.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Can you show me your ID card?
But this is for other people's card. What you do that?
Oh, it's not your card.
This is not mine. I keep rent.
Okay.
So
Bye bye. Best of luck.
take care.
Maybe we could help you.
Yeah, help for I want to buy CNG license. So that they have 11,000 taka necessary. I have 4 children. I have not for buy one bed for my children sleep in the bed. My children sleep also color right now. So what? And also children have no school dress, no shoes, no good dress. And also my village have no home, no land, nothing to. But I have family. My father and mother died before because right now no one I have in the whole country for in Bangladesh. Support to my Karachi, the option, nothing. But I give to responsibility for my Allah. He is support to me.
You're doing a very good deed, you know that, right?
Yeah. So Allah is better for everyone.
Your fluency of English is very good. Maybe it's better than me, better than our university students.
Okay.
Maybe you can speak better than us.
Yeah, you know, I wish I want to make a school for my home place. There is a lot of poor people, 7 years, 6 years, 9 years. So evening after that song, that play. So if I that time come the time and everyone I will tell to come, but this time I will teaching to English speak. So maybe we enjoy some children. I mean to understand about speaking English. Something for me, you know. So is it good idea? If I teach 2 children, what's your name? My name is Johnny. Okay, you know, evening after people back to home and shower and clean and fresh after take book and sitting to in home and ask for mom, can you show me word? How good that? How good that?
It's really good, yeah.
Option, you know.
Yeah.
So it's nothing to do that also for me because I am management for my family. Sorry, busy, no chance have that.
How much did you study it from? Only class 2.
Me, yeah, only class 2.
Already class 2.
It's much better than us,
This
man.
not only today, not only this evening, 2004, 2006, in Apollo Hospital, there are 7 American children with me, only me, and children, 7 years, 5 years, 4 years children with me play in Apollo Hospital. That time, lot of people like stand play for people and see need enjoy, you know. But this is not for enjoy. I am keep it for children.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Sonju.
Sonju.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice to meet you, Sonju.
Yeah, me too. And also I have many pictures for the American children at my home inside. And 21 years, 22 years, 23
God
years
will
older.
bless you,
grown.
don't worry, yeah.
Also I have friends and I have picture in home, lots. I have possible show you. I'm check for Germany, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Italy, France. Many countries, women friends I have with picture. So I'm sometimes see picture and happy and sad. But it's still sad, you know. It's still sad about my country.
Okay.
Yeah, but my country people is kind to people, I know, but something better than nothing.